Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video we're going to be unboxing the HBHO 150 watt LED high bay. So this is our HBHO 150 watt. It is a another UFO style fixture. Comes in black. This packaging out. The eye hooks are already on the fixture out of the box, as you can see. So this is a 150 watt fixture, but it's actually 200 lumens per watt. So you're getting 30,000 lumens out of this. It's 100 to 277 volt rated. Usually we're mounting these at 25 to 35 feet. Really depends, and we can do a lighting plan to determine exactly what height you're going to want to mount these at. Warehouses, factories, larger gym applications with higher ceilings. It's a 400 watt replacement. We do commercial industrial work mostly with this fixture. The lighter commercial is not ideal for this. Since it's so many lumens per watt, you really can get a lot out of this one. It's DLC eligible, so you can get rebates as well. IP65 rated. We have motion sensor compatibility here. Mounting is the eye hook standard out of the box. We also do offer a pendant and a surface mount for this. The other thing that we do a lot with on this particular fixture is the optics. So we can change optics depending on the light spread you need. So if you're going higher up, we'll use a tighter optic. But that really comes back to what our lighting specialists recommend and what our lighting plans say. So if you are interested in this fixture, you can reach out to us and we'd be happy to assist you.